Okay, for the EMP screw locks, there's a EMP logo on the top, and you'll want to keep that facing up when you put them on the screws. And basically there are 4 included with the kit, and you will be putting it on the middle screw on both side blades on the outside of the exhaust. And basically, you might be able to, reach up in here, like on this particular one, we can reach up in here and put it on top of the screw, and you screw it all the way down, remembering to keep the EMP logos facing upwards. Screw it all the way down onto that middle screw until it hits the plastic. Or if you can't get it to spin, it depends on how far out you install your side piece, you can go ahead and unscrew the center screw and then put the lock back up on top of where the screw is. Just still leave the point of the screw coming out of the plastic. Put the EMP screw lock on top of it, and then just screw the screw back into it until it is good and snug. Don't over tighten it and break the screw lock, but get it snugged where it's up snug against the car, and the screw lock, the bottom of it, is firm against the plastic. Okay, then for the center section, this is 2018 plus, so on these you'll have the center fin, or these the fins that are on each side, and there are 2 screws in it. So you go to the one that's all the way closest to the front of the car, and then with the EMP logos facing up, you can reach up inside there, put it on there, and tighten it down. These you should easily be able to tighten down by hand without having to unscrew it. But if you do need to unscrew it, just do the same as the other side. Just get you a hand screwdriver, put it there, and just unscrew this screw here, the one that's closest to the front of the car. Unscrew it down to the point sticking up, stick it over the point, the EMP screw lock over the point, and then just screw it back into it while holding the screw lock in place, so that until it gets tight and it's flat against the plastic. And then you do the same on the other fin on the 2018s. And then if you've got a 2015 to 17, then there are slots on the outside. Since you've got this single exhaust on each side, you'll have the slots on the outside. So you will do the same thing, but it'll just be putting these on top on the outside slots, those screws that are holding those slots on the outside. So these are in addition to the other metal inside star washers that go up into the 2 screws that are in the middle that go into the stock hole locations, so that you can ensure that your EMP rear diffuser is not going to come off.